Cash Giraffe coins do not have a fixed cash value that stays the same across every reward. The number of coins needed depends on the reward option you choose inside the app. By the end, you'll understand how the coin system works, why there isn't a universal conversion rate, and how to get the most value when redeeming your rewards. The most important thing to know is that coins are the app's internal reward currency. You earn coins by completing eligible gameplay and other supported activities offered through Cash Giraffe. Those coins are later exchanged for available rewards rather than being treated as direct cash. If you're trying to calculate how much your coins are worth, don't rely on online conversion charts or old videos. Instead, open the rewards section inside Cash Giraffe and check the current redemption options. Each available reward displays the number of coins required, allowing you to see the value based on the reward you actually want. This also explains why different users sometimes report different redemption experiences. Reward availability can change over time, and the list of available gift cards or payout options may not always be identical for every account or region. Another thing to remember is that earning coins and redeeming coins are separate processes. You earn coins while playing eligible games launched through Cash Giraffe. Once you've accumulated enough coins for a specific reward, you can redeem them according to the options currently available in your account. One common mistake is assuming every additional coin is always worth exactly the same amount of money. Cash Giraffe does not present its reward system as a universal fixed exchange rate, so it's better to judge value by the reward you're planning to redeem. Another mistake is using outdated screenshots from social media or older tutorials. Reward catalogs can change, which means an older redemption requirement may no longer match what's currently shown inside your app. If your coin balance appears incorrect after completing eligible gameplay, first allow the app time to synchronize your account. If the balance still doesn't update, contact Cash Giraffe support through the official help or support section and include screenshots of your activity and current coin balance. The biggest takeaway is that Cash Giraffe coins should be viewed as reward points rather than direct cash. The accurate way to determine their value is by checking the current redemption options inside the rewards section, not by relying on unofficial conversion formulas. If this guide helped you understand how Cash Giraffe coin conversion works, like the video, and subscribe for more Cash Giraffe tutorials, reward app tips, and earning guides.